Hi guys, in this video I'm going to solve the cube using a fun method which only needs a very simple algorithm right at the end. Let's start by doing the white face. Let's look for any white faces on the bottom, such as this blue one. Rotate it to the top. Any more? No. There's a red there. We can simply rotate up. Green there, so we can do this. Rotate up. Rotate it that way, and then rotate our red one back and get this orange over to there. Rotate this back, put the orange at the top. Now we're going to look for around here for a white edge. We've got the blue and the orange there. That's going to go there, so rotate that corner down, put that in place. Any more white edges down there? No. So we're going to have to move one of these over. So where does that want to go? That is the orange and the green. So that's going to there. So put this corner down there, put this into position, up there. And we have a white edge there, that's the blue and the red. So that one goes down there. And now for this method we're going to start with 8 faces on the white face. We're not going to bother with this corner for now. The next step is to complete 3 of the middle edges. So using this particular method. So I'm going to look for any on the top. There's blue and orange. So that's going to go from there down to there. So under this position we're going to put this spare corner under that position. This is going from there to there. And what we can do is move this out of the way to there, to the side, and then rotate this face so these two come up. Replace this one with that, and then rotate this back, restoring the white bottom. And now we've got our orange and blue corner in place. Again, we look at the top for another piece, another middle edge, and we have the green and the red. This is going to this, no it's not. Yes, green and red. That's going down to there. So that means we rotate our spare corner. There isn't one. Any one will do now. So it's under there, and this is going to there. So move it out of the way. Move this piece up. Rotate that into that place and then down. And now this is correctly positioned. The next piece we've got is an orange and a green. That is going, orange and green is from there to there. So again, we've got this spare corner, put it under that position. This is going from there to there, so move it out of the way. Rotate this over there, and move this to there, and then rotate down. Now we have 1, 2, 3 of the middle edge corners correctly positioned, the middle edges I should say, and we're gonna, these two are the ones that are not correctly positioned, which we're going to use to solve the top layer. And starting with the yellow cross, we're going to look for one of the edges that are correctly positioned, such as the green. And it looks like we got actually 3 of them already in the correct positions. Makes it a bit easy. So we just got to get the red and yellow in the correct position. So how do we do that? We're gonna have to displace this, one of the correct ones, and then we're gonna wind this back to restore the bottom white. So we're gonna move this down when we do that. We've got that down there. And now we're gonna move this up into its correct position. So we got green there, orange there, and then this yellow and the red just rotates up to there. And notice that we pushed the blue and yellow down to the back there. So when we turn this back to restore the whites, we want to bring this blue and yellow into its correct position, which is there. So rotate that there. Now restore the whites, rotating this yellow and blue to there. And now we have all of these in place. So now we're going to fix the rotations and orientations of the top corners. So let's look around. This one is in the wrong place. So we're going to apply our simple algorithm which moves this up to there and this to there, at the same time rotating them around. So what we do, this one moves outwards, this one goes down, this one replaces that one, and then we go that one back up to there. And that's had the effect of swapping them over. Now we're going to do the same algorithm to move this up to there, but we want this to go to where it should be, and that's the orange and blue face. So we have to keep this facing us at all times while we're doing this, otherwise it will mess up the cube. So we're going to move this up to that corner where it should be and bring this one down to there. Again we go out, we bring this one down, we replace that one with this one, then we put that back up there. Now this is in its correct place, and we're just lucky that it's orientated around the correct way. So let's look for another one. We got the red and blue piece to go to the top. It has to go to that position, so we rotate that to there. Now we're going to move that up to there, this down to there. So we go that way, then bring that down, that to there, that to the top. Again, we're lucky it's ran the right way. Now we've got a white piece at the bottom, so let's look for another corner that needs fixing. This one has got the green and red piece in its position, but that needs to go to there, so let's bring it down. First of all, this one goes to there, this down to there, this there, and this back up to there. Now we've swapped these two. And this one wants to go to there, so we rotate the top, and then let's swap these two. We go there, bring that down there, that down there, that up there. And in these are further rotations. Let's do the algorithm again. And again. And now it is in the correct way around. And we just have one more corner to correct. This has to go up to there, because it's green and orange. So we go this one out, this one down, this one that way, this up, this one there, this one there, this one there. Alright, do it again. And it still needs another rotation. And there we have a completed cube.